What's up guys, welcome back. These are my Pokemon drawings. So this one, this one, idea for new Pokemon. And whoa, what's this? Subscribe Pokemon, good. And whoa, this is not Pokemon. And now I will open one Charizard pack in Pokemon Pocket. Okay. Okay, so let's choose this one. Okay, is it good? Oh, it's good! New, and whoa! Subscribe, bye.